Hi guys. So this week started silently, and then we have Trump in news again for all the wrong reasons. So China is not enough; they're also having issues with Iran now, and there's a lot of Twitter beef as it's happening with Trump. He's really well known for going on Twitter and expressing thoughts and ideas. Either way, talking about Euro USD. Um, last last week the ending wasn't that great. I was hoping for it to hold certain levels, but it closed slightly below. Um, I am still long, as I mentioned. My target's around 1.16, probably even higher. The main technical, let's call it a tool that I'm relying on is the falling wedge. If I found a link to a few of those, you could probably check them on my Instagram page. Anyways, it's a falling wedge, and basically a falling wedge, as the name states, it's uh, it's a falling pattern, uh, and it's a wedge. So, as you approach the end of the wedge, the volatility decreases, and the waves, if you want to call them, they reduce in amplitude and size, and that's what's happening now. It has become very narrow. If you sketch the wedge, the waves have gotten narrower, the fluctuations are narrower, the volumes are really dried up. So these are again indications of reversals. Now I'm not saying that we have to get into large lots with of long positions. I'm just saying that I'm just mentioning some reasons of why I'm still long and I'm holding my trades. Uh, I mentioned earlier that I do hedge my position sometimes, so I have some shorts placed as well. Uh, let's say that if 1.11 was broken, then I have some shorts placed. That would help me at least gain some money as we move down. I see a lot of people talk about the gap that is there present on the Euro USD. If you go back, I don't remember exactly when, but when the French elections took place and Macron won, I believe there's a gap. There's an up gap, and some people I've seen mentioning that this gap might be closed. I really hope that it won't, and I also don't think it will be closed now. But in case, you never know how things go in the forex market, honestly speaking. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. So either have stop losses or hedge your positions, depending on your trading style. Um, but yeah, just a general side note that I have gained through my experience in forex. It's that market always catches you off guard. The markets make you believe a certain type of thing, and then the opposite happens. Um, there's numerous examples of this. So even now, I have an account on Dukascopy, and Dukascopy um, shows you the sentiment, like shows you what's the market sentiment. It's been bearish for quite some time now. It's been bearish for maybe 3-4 months now. Uh, so that's the surface information. It's out for everybody. That the Euro USD should fall. I do think that there's at least one leg up that needs to go, and then it might continue going down. I don't have a problem with that, but I'm just sitting here waiting for my up move. 1.16, and I'm a happy, happy boy. Um, pound. Anyway, interesting week with elections as well. Um, yeah, let's talk about that on another video.